Hi, dear friends, and welcome to Smart English Official.
Can you speak simple English in daily life?
Can you ask for water, talk to a friend, or buy something in English?
Or do you know the words, but your mouth says, not today?
If that is you, stay with us.
Because today, we will learn English-speaking sentences in daily life.
In very easy English.
In simple words.
And a fun podcast talk. I'm Lima.
And I'm James.
We are very happy you are here today.
So please sit back, relax, and learn with us.
And if you like easy English lessons, please like this video.
And subscribe to Smart English Official.
Because we make simple English for beginners.
Easy English, useful English, real English.
All right, let's begin.
Lima, why are daily life sentences important?
Because we use them every day.
Yes, not once a year.
Not only in an exam.
Not only in a book.
In real life.
At home, outside, with friends, at work, in a shop, on the phone.
Daily life English helps you speak faster.
Because the sentences are common.
And simple.
And useful.
For example, if someone says hello to you, you need to answer.
You cannot just smile for 10 minutes.
Yes, that would be a little strange.
So today, we will learn many easy speaking sentences for daily life.
We will say them clearly.
We will explain them simply.
And we will use them in small daily talks.
So you can listen, repeat, and remember.
Let's start with the morning.
Ah, yes, the time when some people wake up fresh.
And some people look at the alarm and say, please, 5 more minutes.
That second person is me.
I know.
Here are some easy morning sentences.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
I slept well.
I'm still sleepy.
What time is it?
I need to get up.
I'm late.
I need some water.
I need coffee.
That sentence is very important in my life.
Of course it is.
Let's make a small morning talk.
Good idea.
Good morning, Lima.
Good morning, James.
How did you sleep?
I slept well. And you?
I am still sleepy.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
Oh no, I need to get up.
Yes, and I need coffee.
That sounds very real.
Because it is real.
Friends, these are short sentences.
But they are very useful.
You can say them at home.
To your family.
To your roommate.
Or even to yourself.
Yes, talking to yourself in English is good practice.
Very good practice.
Now let's talk about home English.
The English you use in your room, in the kitchen, around the house.
These sentences are great for beginners.
Because home is where life happens every day.
Here are some easy home sentences.
Please open the door.
Please close the window.
The room is cold.
The room is hot.
Where is my bag?
I cannot find my keys.
The food is ready.
Come and eat.
I'm washing the dishes.
Can you help me? That last one is very useful.
Yes, especially when there are many dishes.
Or when you do not want to wash them alone.
Exactly.
Let's make a home talk.
Okay.
James, where is my bag?
I think it is on the chair.
Oh, yes, thank you.
No problem.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Please open the window.
Okay. The room is hot.
Yes, and the food is ready.
Great. Come and eat.
See?
Very simple.
Very natural.
Very daily.
Now let's move to a very important part, talking to people.
Ah, yes. This is where some learners feel shy.
But do not worry.
We will keep it easy.
Here are some easy speaking sentences for talking to people.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Lima.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Or, I work in an office.
Or I'm learning English.
That one is very useful.
Yes, because many of our viewers are learning English.
And doing a great job.
Let's make a simple talk.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am good.
What is your name?
My name is James. What is your name?
My name is Lima.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
What do you do?
I'm learning English.
Very nice.
Yes, short and clean.
And when you know these lines, you can talk more easily.
Confidence grows little by little.
Sometimes in daily life, we need help.
Yes, and asking for help in English is very important.
Here are some easy sentences.
Can you help me?
Can you say that again?
Please speak slowly.
I do not understand.
Can you show me?
Where is the bathroom?
How much is this?
Can I ask a question?
What does this mean?
Thank you for your help.
These are very useful sentences.
Yes, because they help you stay in the conversation.
And they stop panic.
Big word?
Okay, they stop fear.
Much better.
Let's make a small help talk.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the bathroom?
It is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
One more.
Okay.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
What does this mean?
It means you need to wait.
Oh, I see. Thank you for your help.
Very nice.
Easy English can do a lot.
Now let's go shopping.
Ah, yes, one of my favorite places.
Of course.
Food, snacks, drinks, happiness.
James really loves shops.
I love useful places.
Here are some easy shopping sentences.
How much is this?
It is too expensive.
Do you have a smaller size?
I'm just looking.
I would like this one.
Can I pay by card?
Do you have change?
Can I get a bag?
That's all, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Let's do a short shop talk.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, how much is this?
It is $10.
Okay, I would like this one.
Sure.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Can I get a bag?
Yes, of course.
That's all, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Perfect.
Very normal daily English.
The kind of English people really use. Now let's talk about food.
I knew you would be happy about this part.
Very happy.
Here are some easy food sentences.
I am hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I would like tea.
I would like some water.
This looks good.
This tastes nice.
Can I see the menu?
I will have this.
Can we have the bill, please?
Thank you. The food was good.
Let's make a restaurant talk.
Hello, can I see the menu?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. I'm hungry.
What would you like?
I will have this.
And what would you like to drink?
I would like some water.
Okay.
Thank you.
Later.
Can we have the bill, please?
Sure.
Thank you. The food was good.
Beautiful.
Yes, and easy to remember. Now let's talk about work and school.
Daily life English is also very useful there.
Here are some easy sentences.
I am on my way.
I am a little late.
I have a question.
Can you explain this?
Please give me a minute.
I will do it now.
I finished my work.
I need more time.
Let's start.
Good job.
Let's do a small class talk.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, what is it?
Can you explain this?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
No problem.
One more.
Are you ready?
Please give me a minute.
Okay.
Now I am ready.
Very good.
These sentences are useful at school, at work, and even at home.
Yes, because clear English helps everywhere. These days, people talk on the phone a lot.
Or they send voice messages.
Or long messages, very long messages. Too long sometimes.
Yes, some people write a whole book in one message.
Here are some easy phone sentences.
Hello, who is this?
Can you hear me?
The line is bad.
I will call you later.
Please send me a message.
I am busy right now.
I will text you.
Did you get my message?
Please call me back.
Talk to you soon.
Let's make a short phone talk.
Hello, who is this?
Hi, James. It's Lima.
Oh, hi. Can you hear me?
A little, but the line is bad.
Okay, I'll call you later.
That's fine. Please send me a message.
Sure, talk to you soon.
Bye.
Nice and easy.
Daily life is not only about actions.
Yes, it is also about feelings.
Here are some easy feeling sentences.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am busy.
I am worried.
I am excited.
I feel better now.
That's great.
That's not good.
Really?
Are you okay?
These are very common in daily talk.
Yes, we use them all the time.
Let's do a small feelings talk.
Hi, James. Are you okay?
Yes, I am just tired.
Oh, did you sleep late?
Yes, but I feel better now.
That's great.
Or another one.
I got the job.
Really? That's great.
Yes, I am very happy.
I am happy for you.
Simple English can still sound warm and kind.
Very true. Lima, what is the biggest tip for learners?
Use these sentences in real life.
Ah, yes, not only listen.
Not only write them in a notebook.
Say them.
Repeat them.
Use them at home.
Use them outside.
Use them with friends.
Use them when you think.
Yes, think in easy English.
If you look at your cup, say, "This is my cup."
If you open the door, say, I am opening the door.
If you feel tired, say, "I am tired today."
Small English is strong English
Very strong.
because it helps you speak.
And speaking helps you improve.
Before we finish, let's give our viewers a simple daily plan.
Yes, a very easy plan.
Step 1. Choose 5 daily life sentences.
Step 2. Read them aloud.
Step 3. Say them again without reading.
Step 4. Use them in a small talk.
Step 5. Use one sentence in real life today.
That's it.
Simple,
Easy
useful.
and powerful.
If you do this every day, your speaking will grow.
Slowly but surely.
Day by day.
Sentence by sentence.
So today, on Smart English Official, we learned English speaking sentences in daily life
In very easy English.
with simple words.
And fun daily talks.
We talked about morning sentences, home sentences, shopping, food, work, phone calls, and feelings.
These are real English sentences for real life.
So please listen again
Repeat after us.
and use these lines in your own day.
If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to Smart English Official.
And turn on the bell so you never miss our easy English lessons.
Also, write in the comments, which daily life sentence do you want to use today?
Or write one simple English sentence about your day.
Just one sentence is enough to start.
Yes, one sentence can open the door.
One sentence today.
More sentences tomorrow.
And little by little, your English will become stronger.
I'm James.
And I'm Lima.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep learning,
Keep speaking.
keep smiling.
And please do not say only I am fine for the next 10 years. Learn new sentences too.
Yes, please do that. Bye. See you in the next video.